Welcome to another exciting episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and our location for today is Cherry Gardens. Stay tuned for the next half an hour for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. We have lots more coming up in this week's show. Finalists in the 2016 Miss Universe Jamaica Beauty and Wellness pageant have been revealed. Let's see who made the cut.
I got a car full of girls and it's going real slow when on the beach everybody want go when pool party turn up like wow, everybody feel happy in a dream weekend. You know your school shows, don't put it on unless a class boat foreigner fly down a Jordan will do. Love see the girl then in a bad suit, I'm ready to go home. Alright then, make the dance all start. If you can't drink rum, roll a fruit juice. Every girl roll out in a tight up shots. Me a pray to myself, say you look good. Me want your love fi never end. Me call one cab fi the hotel. Guess where? The taxi driver said I got a car full of girls and it's going real slow when on the beach everybody want go when pool party turn up like wow, everybody feel happy in a dream weekend. You know your school shows, don't put it on unless a class boat foreigner.
It's summer, and the coolest summer. If the pool is a summer, this is the coolest summer. No school, it's summer. Every student summer. We gotta act like summer. This is the rudest summer. It's summer.
Our time now, summertime rage. Skin tone them, some skin a bleach. Some a rub from when I can't reach. Ravers too cool on the beach. Gal inna them short, Marina and Hills. I walk in a style like them they are South Beach. Bolex, bumper, cock, skin firm and well clean. And them body them with the
Ravers look how the sun and the coolest summer. If the pool is a summer, this is the coolest summer. And if you want me, girl, you got it. There's nothing I wouldn't do, just to get up next to you. Girl, you the one I want to hold it. And if you want me, girl, you got it. Girl, you the one I want to hold it. And if you want me, girl, you got it. There's nothing I wouldn't do, just to get up next to you. Girl, you the one I want to hold it. And if you want.
That last year was a bad year, you know, sponsorship-wise, production-wise and stuff. So we're pulling it back, we're pulling it together for this year to have a fantastic year. And if you had a keen look at the young ladies tonight, you'll see that we have the right ladies, and we hopefully want to take the Miss Universe crown back to Jamaica this year for the very first time. It's about time, it's well overdue, so we're working really hard and we need the support. There's some fantastic things coming out of Miss Universe Jamaica 2016. For one, because it's not all about just a beautiful face. It has to be a young lady who is willing to work hard with a good heart. There's some generous sponsors this year. We have St. Ives, Unilever, Lux, Tresemme. We have the Glean on board with us big time, always RDR Communication Group. We have Diamond International. We have iCool, who supported us. We could not have done it without iCool last year, and they're back on board with us this year. So to all the sponsors, I know I might have forgotten a few, but yeah. Enough love and respect, and we really do appreciate the support. It was a tough decision to narrow it down to 23 girls because we had about 60 young ladies, and our first cut we went to like 50 something, and then we had a one-on-one sit down with all the 50 other ladies, and we had to cut and just narrow it down to this. But I must mention though, the regional pageants are doing so well.
How has the pageant evolved in the 3 years?
There's growth within the organization, which is a good thing, and we're getting more recognition now from sponsors are coming on board, so that's another plus to it. And I think people are now realizing that Miss Universe is like the most prestigious pageant in the world.
Well, of course, last year was a success. We were excited. The contestants loved it as well as the fans. So we came back because we were the hype brand. Miss Universe is hype, cool and classy. So definitely it was a perfect fit. Without a doubt, we decided to sign on again.
Talk to me about Lasco Aiko's involvement in the pageant this year. What will you guys be doing?
Well, of course, we'll be launching our social media competition where we have the most popular votes. So fans will get the opportunity to vote for their favorite contestants, and then we'll have a prize for that contestant. So stay tuned to Lasco Aiko Facebook page. You get the opportunity to vote for your contestant, and then they will win a special Aiko prize. As well as on the day of the event, we have our Cool Corner, where you'll come and do your interview, why you want your contestant to win. You'll get spot prizes, basket, hotel giveaways. So we have our celebrity area as well. You get to take pictures with celebrity. We'll be taking pictures of your outfits. So it's all about interaction with you, the fan. And we'll have iCool beverage. We'll have our passion teeny. A lot of flavors that we have. We have our favorite fruit punch and our tangerine, our melon berry available, as well as iCool mixes, so a special mix for the night.
With Lasco Lasoy and Miss Universe, the contestants are the perfect platform to advertise or promote our product as your fitness drink. You can have Lasco Lasoy by itself, blended with fruits, in your porridge. Essentially, it's your overall wellness product. And not wellness only in fitness, but spiritual wise, it's the perfect product to be paired with the competition. Leading up to the execution or leading up to the coronation night, we're going to be having online competition where we're going to have persons, well, all of our Facebook users to come on board, vote for your Miss Lasoy Fitness, and that winner will get an endorsement of $200,000 from Lasco Lasoy.
If you drive on the roads, here's a road safety tip for you, courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited. We'll be right back after the break.
The Bogwalk Gorge in St. Catherine, Jamaica was the scene of a motor vehicle accident which resulted in the loss of 6 persons' lives recently. This week we have road safety tips for persons who use bridges. Approach bridges with care as they are often narrow. If you think 2 vehicles cannot fit on a narrow bridge, give way to the other driver. When you come to a bridge which is wide enough for only 2 vehicles, slow down and drive carefully. Sometimes you are not allowed to overtake a vehicle going in the same direction or to pass a vehicle coming towards you. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.